Hey guys, it's Charles, and today I'm going to show you how to create your own hashtag on TikTok. It's really simple, so let's jump right in. So guys, the first thing we're going to do is just open up our TikTok app. And then once our TikTok app is open, we're going to hit the plus in the bottom middle of the screen. And from here, guys, you would just record or upload whatever video you want the hashtag to be on. And then once we've recorded and edited the video, we're just going to hit next in the bottom right. And then this is where you would normally be able to add a description to your video or add any hashtags. So let's say if we added a hashtag like hashtag example, and we can see on the right side of the screen, just based on how many views each hashtag has, that these hashtags have been used by someone else before. But if we were to enter a new hashtag that no one has ever used before, something completely new and unique, so I'm just going to put some numbers next to example. If the hashtag has never been used before, instead of having a views on the right, you'll have this add button right here. So we can just click on add, and then that will add the new hashtag to our video. So that is how you create your own hashtag on TikTok. So thank you guys very much for watching. I hope that helped you out. If it did, you can leave a comment in the comment section below. If you guys have any questions or any tutorial topics you'd like us to cover in the future on the channel, you guys can leave those in the comments below as well. Make sure to like and subscribe, of course, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.